90% of the company is using cloud computing, and 70% of the company using Amazon Web Service actually are using more than 100 virtual machines. And typically, one cloud engineer can manage 50 virtual machines, and the cost of the cloud engineer is up to $200,000. So the DevOps cost of cloud computing will double within the next 5 years. And the company using cloud will have to grow their team significantly within this period. Furthermore, the loyalty of engineers in Silicon Valley is not very high. So the engineer of the top company leave their company after 2 to 3 years after they join the company. So the company lost their knowledge and experience of the engineer because there is no proper way to save the technology. VisCAD is Visual Cloud Automation Platform. So this is our solution to solve this problem. So using VisCAD, user can design, save, deploy, and manage the cloud system. Designing cloud is as easy as dragging the icon into the canvas. And the saving is just as easy as saving the document in Office. And deploying is instant with 1 or 2 clicks. And managing is actually embedded into drawing. So using this platform, user can save a lot of time and energy to manage their cloud. So VisCAD is targeting in B2B customers. So for example, the sovereign cloud provider, just like KT, providing cloud services in Korea companies. And also we are focused on big company who building an internal cloud for cost or and data security reasons. And we also provide online services on top of the AWS as a showcase, and also provide it to the customer who want to take advantage of the cost and speed, just like a consultant or startups and service providers. So our revenue comes from the B2B license revenue and revenue sharing from our the big companies like KT, and also the sales from the online service from SaaS. So currently we are top in a large automotive company in Korea, and we also have partnership with Korea Telecom. So we want to open a service soon. And we also open our online service through AWS in this month. So we have few competitors in the market. So Clicker is already acquired by Cisco, and Terraform is focused in orchestration, but it lacks in easy and comfortable interface. And CloudFormation is only focused on their own cloud, and Juju is limited in installing software, and CloudCraft is only focused on designing and drawing a picture. So VisCAD is the only solution that provides comprehensive solution and with a front end. VisCAD target cloud management software market. It is $4.2 billion market with 20% annual growth. And VisCAD target 5% of the market, and it is represented by more than $2 million market. So we've been developing cloud platform for last 4 years, And with those experience and the patent granted in 2017, we built a BizCat. It provides a graphical designer and flexible orchestration engine. So we're going to open our service online through AWS, and we're going to open a revenue sharing service through KT this year. And next year, we're going to open an online service for Japan. So we are a small team of group who have built a cloud platform for the last 4 years. I graduated from Carnegie Mellon, and I was director of cloud department at KT, and my CEO is professor at UI University. So we are actually taking advantage of the resources in university. I'm currently looking for partners who support the selling our product in the United States, and we are also looking to raise $2 million to expand our business. Thank you very much. And my name is Ki-hyun, and I'm looking forward to see some answers right now. Yeah.
Any questions from our judges?
I'm not a cloud expert, but I know it's very crowded area.
Yes.
What is your goal of coming to the U.S. market? And why do you take funds from U.S. investors instead of
It is actually heavily, in competitive market, but there isn't much solution to, solve the customer's problem. Actually, most of the solutions are focused on engineer's problem. The engineer who are very good at engineering skills. But cloud computing is expanding rapidly. So the next customer who is actually using cloud is not the geek in some big company. So most engineers are looking for easy and comfortable solution, but those solutions are not common in the market. So that is one of the reasons why I developed this one. And I also heard from the alumni in this country that this country also focused only on engineering rather than the business and the effectiveness of the cloud computing. So that's why I'm come here and knock the door of the market. Yeah.
I actually would encourage you to look at the position and solution again. Clicker used to be one of my products. I used to run Entry's cloud business.
Okay.
And I compared that product with them. And since then, I have built a multitude of products in both CI/CD and cloud management.
Okay.
I think those are two different softwares. It's a very competitive, noisy space. There are a whole bunch of other players that have come up since then.
Yes.
I'm sure the way you're approaching it is value from a visual standpoint, but I would encourage you to look at positioning how you're solving the specific aspect of that overall complex problem a bit more effectively.
Thank you very much for advising. And actually, this is just a start. Because,
yeah, I understand.
Yes, and actually, what I found out is that after I invest in market, what I found out is that if I analyze the existing cloud system using the security and effectiveness, performance, then it will be more effective, selling our product. But, that needs some money to develop those
I
features.
understand. We can take it offline.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, I think we have one last question from our mentor, Yop.
I want to echo these comments because the competitors that you showed in your pie chart have spent hundreds of millions of dollars, if not more,
Right.
building these geeks products. So I think
Yeah.
if you really position this as we are targeting growth companies where you can't be bothered, you don't have a CIO, you just need something to run, and your goal is a quick acquisition by Microsoft or by AWS, to say, we make it easy for the end user.
Right.
Rather than going head to head with like the Micro Focus and the Clicker and everybody else who have carved out little bitty $100 million businesses by spending $1 billion, you know, I think you would have a much higher chance of success than going head to head with these companies in a very competitive space.
So would you
So
recommend
as you answered the question, I think that's a compelling value prop, where you say, we want to give the small business owner, the startup owner, something that out of the box works really well, on top of an existing platform, rather than competing with it?